Hey guys, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I'm going to share my summer kitchen tour. But first, I'm going to have a little breakfast and then I'm going to do a little cleaning. I'm also going to share a quick floral arrangement. So this is the floral arrangement that I'm going to share with you. This is really quick and it's easy to do. And here are the flowers that I will be using. So I'm going to take this stem and I'm going to wrap this bouquet of flowers all the way around the stem, leaving the stem in the center. Now I know I could have used these stems individually, but I wanted to keep this bouquet intact. And so now I'm adding these taller stems in the lavender, just a few all the way around the bush. I think 3 in total. And then next I'm going to use these smaller flowers and place them all the way around the center area as well. And there it is. Very quick and simple. And then I'm just going to place it here in this small urn. Okay, so here I'm going to place a very simple and casual tablescape. Now this will be a simple tablescape for summer, and I won't be using any type of place settings. During the summer we eat pretty casual, so I like to set just a simple casual tablescape. Now things that you see here on the table, these are not things that I keep up every day as a tablescape, but if we were having a dinner, I'd set my dishes out like this. So guys, continue to enjoy the tour. Now I have made a few simple changes here and there around the kitchen. And for more kitchen decorating ideas, please check out my latest video, How to Accessorize a Kitchen. And as always, if you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the next video. And guys, I do apologize for the lighting. It was a cloudy, rainy day, and so the light in the kitchen was not as bright as it usually is.